Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee. I just wanted to make a quick video on this Breville Oracle, or Breville Barista Touch. It had came in because there was descaling that was going through the whole system, and it completely clogged the system, whether it was a piece of scale or whether the valves went out or anything like that while descaling. We don't know, but after 3 or 4 weeks of leaving descaler in there, we replaced both the parts. This is being the pump, which gets water from your tank into your machine, and the three-way valve, which controls where water goes. As in, it allows water to move to certain parts of the machine. It does not know how to do that itself. That would be the motherboard. The motherboard tells the valve where to open and it gives it power and stuff like that. So the issue we're having with this one is that the hot water spout is not continuous. It is it kind of pulses. So I wanted to make a video kind of demonstrating it and looking at it, seeing if it seeing just like the scale of it. It's more of an inconvenience than anything. Your machine works perfectly fine when it comes to brewing, steaming. It's just this hot water has a weird quirk now that the motherboard's been damaged from the descaler that was left in there. But we're just gonna brew. And what it's going to do is for 40 seconds it's going to pulse water like that. Now I have a mason jar, it's kind of narrow, so it won't catch all of it, but the water that it doesn't catch goes into the drip tray. So again, smaller inconvenience, but yeah. So it's going to do this for 40 seconds, and then it's going to start brewing your coffee through the portafilter. I don't have any coffee in the portafilter at the moment, it's just going to run water. I just kind of wanted to do a visual representation. So we're just going to watch it.
Is that your machine?
Now it's going to stop itself. Now it's going to start brewing through the group head. And of course the brewing, steaming, everything is perfectly normal. Like how we're used to, as you can see. And it's going to fill the mason jar up all the way to the top. Yeah, and that's about it. I just kind of wanted to make a video kind of showing you a little bit how the machine works, in case you had any thoughts on the severity of the issue or anything like that. So, thank you.